Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a Thrive Market haul and unboxing. I have this ginormous box from Thrive. Honestly, when I came home the other day and saw this, I was like, wait, what did I order? I don't remember ordering that much. Anyway, I think it was just very well packaged. So generally when I order from Thrive Market, I wait until they have some type of extra promo, some extra discount, or some cool freebie that I'm actually interested in. And in this case, I was emailed an extra 15% off coupon. So anywho, let's get into it. It's a lot of like stocking up. I was out of a whole bunch of stuff. All right, first up, I got a couple things for my kitties. I actually have two kitties, two little girls, and one of them has her birthday tomorrow. My little Kobe is turning 4 tomorrow. My little baby. Anyway, first up I got these cat treats, and I don't know why I got 4 of them. I know there was a minimum order of 2, but my cats have never tried these, so I don't actually know if they like them. But I got 4, so I guess we're gonna find out, and fingers crossed they like them. So these are the Blue Buffalo Kitty Yums in the Tempting Tuna recipe. And you can see these are kind of like a softer sort of kitty treat. I don't know, they had good reviews. Hopefully my babies like them. And also for my kitties, I only got one of these. This is the Castor and Pollux Organics, organic cat treats. These I believe are chicken flavor, and these are hard treats, and you can see they're kind of shaped like little chicken drumsticks. So happy birthday to my little Kobe, and Kimchi's 4 in a month too, so she'll get some early birthday treats. All right, next I had to pick up a few body products. I was actually out of Tiger Balm, and I believe Thrive Market has normal Tiger Balm, but they also have Tiger Balm Ultra Strength, so of course I got the Ultra Strength one. I've never tried this, no idea what it's about. It is kind of like this white clear color, but it kind of smells more like cinnamony than the original Tiger Balm, but apparently it's supposed to be great for like relieving pain. My back and neck and shoulders have been killing me. Also, I picked up a couple products from this brand Acure, and I have mentioned these Acure products before, and I really like their skincare. I'm really excited about this brand. It's affordable, and I think it's like pretty non-toxic. I think it's pretty clean. So the first one I got is this Brilliantly Brightening Night Cream. So this is a reorder. This is gonna be my second tube of this, and I love it. It's really good. Really good night cream. Not like greasy or heavy, but not too light. Definitely moisturizing. And then this is a new product I'm trying out. This is the Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So generally what I have been doing with the night cream is I'll apply the night cream, and then I have this other serum from Acure. I can't remember the name, but that was actually a freebie from Thrive a few months ago. Really like that. So generally what I do is apply the night cream, and then I put the serum on over that. So I'm gonna try that with this Blue Tansy night oil. So apparently Blue Tansy, I believe, is supposed to be very good for the skin, like very like healing and soothing. Well, duh, it's called Seriously Soothing. And again, this one, it does say to apply this after your moisturizer. So I'm nearly out of that serum, so I guess I'll just replace it with that Blue Tansy one. And my final body product is this hand cream from Weleda. This is the Sea Buckthorn hand cream. This is a repeat order. I do love these Weleda hand creams. This is my second one in the Sea Buckthorn, and I've had their Evening Primrose one, and I want to say I've tried the pomegranate one as well. Super moisturizing, slightly greasy, but if you are familiar with Weleda and their skin food product, this is nothing like the skin food. The skin food, to me, I like to use that one before bed because I'm not really going to be touching things, so I don't care if my hands are kind of greasy. These are not nearly as oily as that. Like, this stuff definitely rubs in, smells good, and I love it. I just love these hand creams. All right, and now we are at the point where you're gonna think I'm a total psycho because I stocked up on so much stuff. Got 4 jars of these Divina olives. These are my absolute favorite olives. I've been out of them for about a week, so my salads at lunch have been they've just been missing that like nice little salty pizzazz. So these are the Divina Organic Pitted Green Olives. Absolute favorite olives. I probably eat a jar of these a week, maybe. I like to put them on salads at lunch, like a nice salad, you know, some greens, some type of protein, chicken, or I don't know, sometimes bacon or prosciutto, whatever, avocado, some olives, some type of nut, balsamic and avocado oil. Oh, so good. So happy to have these back in stock. Also, I picked up 2 jars of salsa. This is my favorite salsa, this green Mountain Gringo. We got the medium and the hot. Now, I've never tried the hot, so we're gonna see how spicy this stuff is. I like to always have a couple jars of this on hand because I like to do like venison taco lettuce wraps, or I'll just kind of make like venison taco meat and put it on greens. Super good, and I always like to dump in like a jar of salsa. Okay, next up, I stocked up on tuna. This is the Safe Catch Elite Solid Wild Tuna Steak. This is skipjack tuna, so like chunk light, not albacore. I do not do albacore tuna. I don't know, it's something with the texture and the flavor. I think I had too much like albacore tuna, like chicken of the, no, not chicken of the sea. What's the other one? Sunkissed? Starkissed. Whatever the other tuna brand is. They used to do like pouches of tuna, and I used to eat that in high school. Like literally like take bits of tuna out and put it on a cracker, and I would eat that. And I think I got a couple funky packs of albacore tuna. That's why I don't like it anymore. But anyway, love this skipjack tuna. Okay, and finally, my favorite thing in this whole haul are these chocolate bars from Hue Kitchen. So if you saw my last Thrive Market haul, you definitely noticed I ordered a ton of this chocolate. I think I had 12 of these chocolate bars in that one. But I have narrowed it down to my favorites, and I only ordered my favorites. My absolute favorite is this one, the cashew butter and pure vanilla bean dark chocolate. So good. So I ordered 3 of those, and then I also ordered 1 of their simple dark chocolate. This one's super nice if you just want something super clean, super basic, just like a good piece of dark chocolate. But the cashew butter, ooh baby, that is something special. So good. Also, I do want to quickly mention that I just noticed that Whole Foods has started to stock Hue chocolate, and they have all the same flavors as Thrive Market. Whole Foods, I believe, was about $1.50 more per bar than Thrive Market. And I think the only additional flavor that Whole Foods had that Thrive Market did not have was this like crunchy chocolate mint one. And I got one of those and I liked it. I thought it was pretty good. I don't think I'd get it again just because I love the cashew one, but the crunch and the mint, it was nice. It was okay. Anyway, if you have not yet tried this brand of chocolate, I would definitely recommend doing so because it's so stinking good. Okay, so there you go. That is what I picked up in my most recent Thrive Market order. Love Thrive Market, but I always wait for a good promo. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.